That was crazy. We are going to head over to the Teacups. I believe Pete scored us a fast pass. And then I think we're just going to wait for Mine Train so we can get on that. And then we're also going to grab some food because it is dinner time and we are hungry. So here's what you get. You get a basic cheeseburger and then they have a toppings. You get a cheeseburger and then there's a toppings bar. And then this is what you get with the fries. I mean, the toughest part is just muscling your way through like the tons and tons and tons of people. It's a little nuts. So, but you get Sunny Eclipse. All right, let's destroy this. That is the same look on your face as when you're about 2 years old watching Sunny Eclipse. We demolished Cosmic Ray's Burger in all about 8 minutes. I mean, it's alright, it's serviceable. The best thing is that there's a toppings bar, so you feel all fancy. You want to get some, like 45,000 pickles, which I want to do. Get yourself 45,000 pickles. So, the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train line has shrunk enough that we are going to do that, and then we are going to go back to Buzz Lightyear. And then we should be just at about time for Happily Ever After. We might sneak something else in, but it depends what time we get out of here. So on to Mine Train. Two things. Number one, go on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train at night. Number two, go on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train at night. It is much better at night than it is during the daytime.
It feels faster.
Yeah, and like the turns feel banked more.
And you can see the castle all lit up.
Everything's
all lit up. It's neat.
Yeah, so we would definitely recommend that. And now we are going to try one more time today to get Galactic Hero on Buzz Lightyear. And then it should be just about time for Happily Ever After. All right, boy, you ready? Here we go. Let's try this again. Ah, so close. 684. So far. Ah. 684. Someday, Galactic Hero. Someday. Look at how absolutely stunning that is. So we have our spot staked out for Happily Ever After. And we're right up front. We've never been the kind of people to wait like forever, ever, but I'll wait a little bit for this one. She's already flown. I am. Ready to begin. Let the wonder take hold.
They're patrolling my sand. Taste the morning out there like ordinary men who freely walk about their islands. Out to live.
You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins.
Where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and the voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to
clearly see that my eyes are insanely red because we were 4 rows back. You will see the footage. That was crazy. I cried like basically the entire time.
And 630 something photos.
Yeah, we've seen the show from back on Main Street where you can see the fireworks and the projections. We've seen the show from behind the castle where you can just see the fireworks, and now we've seen the show from like literally 20 feet in front of the castle where you can just see the projections, and every single time it is phenomenal. But that
each version of the show is completely different and differently entertaining. You get a different show, but it's great in every way.
Yeah, that I am so very happy that we just waited to see that. So now we are headed over to Splash Mountain. Before the show we got a fast pass. So we may or may not get completely soaked, and then we'll see, we'll see kind of how we're feeling, what the crowds are looking like, and go from there.
Splash Mountain right now is 5 minutes.
Okay, well.
And Pirates is 10, Jungle Cruise is 15.
Awesome.
It was gonna clear out.
Okay, well, we'll see. We're the fools going on Splash Mountain at night in November. So here we go. Oh, yeah. This is Aiden's laughing place.
Here we go.
We got so. we got. No. That's the most sweat I've ever got. Oh god.
And Brian, the broad patches where I'm heading, zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. I'm back in my home now and I'm sure gonna stay.
This is what happens when you put the tall guy in the front seat.
I want to be the front. I like the front.
Sorry, you did great. Did great.
I like the front.
Good job.
Right, Mom? For America.
For America.
I think this is going to bring an end to our day here at Magic Kingdom. I think we had
Wonderful day.
We had a really successful day.
And our 3rd day, and then tomorrow's our last day.
So I think we're going to call it a night, and with that,
We invite you to set your imaginations free.